was Sarah lay off my Pokemon channel for a bit, and this is a special video for all those grown-ups who've been sitting on their chairs all day, just doing the computer work and stuff, and having a sore neck. So this is a special video that teaches you a few exercises that you can do if your neck is sore or anything. So first I'm going to teach you about the foam roller. So you lie down, try to get your spine on it. You then back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Now I'm going to teach you about something I call the peanut. It looks like a blue peanut. So it doesn't always have to blue unless you use a special kind of tape. So this is just like two tennis balls taped together. And you can usually just tape it. Doesn't matter when or where you tape them. You just gotta so you can't see any more green. So and then you're supposed to do the same thing as a foam roller, except it's supposed to make your back get a little more feel better. So you for this one you small ones. And you can put your head, and if you look up, you might need to close your eyes, just in case, you're in a sunny place, where I am. So you might need to close your eyes, unless you have sunglasses on. So that's that. And now I'm going to teach you about this. One was kind of hard for me too. So you put your legs like that. You lie down on the side. That arm like that. You do that. You're supposed to do it 10 times or more. And then you do the other side. And on this one, you might also need to close your eyes too. So those are all the exercises for today. So